Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to create this beautiful and easy soft glam eye look. I'll be explaining step by step how you can achieve this look. You can either use pink tones or brown tones for this. Today I'll be using this All I Need eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty. It has a beautiful color story with browns, pinks and some colorful shimmers. So let's begin with the tutorial. First, I'm taking this black shadow on an angular brush and creating a wing like this. Then on the same brush, I'm taking this shade and smudging the black. On the same brush, I'm taking this wine shade and blending further and upwards. Next, I'm taking this rose pink shade on a pencil brush and blending it with the wine shade, diffusing any harsh lines. Taking the same shade on a fluffy blending brush and I am placing it on my transition area and outer corner for a seamless blend. Cleaning the outer edge using a concealer and a flat concealer brush. Then taking this beautiful shimmer shade on my finger and applying this all over my lid. Filling my waterline using a kajal and smudging it using the rose pink shade. Finishing off with mascara and highlighter on my cheekbones, and there we have this easy and beautiful soft glam look. You can literally use any softer shades to do this, but I prefer to use pinks and browns, especially if you're a beginner. So do try this and let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next one.